this week we worked on a bunch of different things. We did some parts. We finished maybe 5 parts, but we're also working with the other group to share parts and expedite the process of getting a full assembly. We've done some research. Our researcher has done some research on Germantown Lake, the geography of the lake and the certain ecosystems that are inside the lake and whatnot. We've started the assembly process for making the ROV itself, and that's coming along pretty nicely. And we've also done video editing.
So she's still talking while I'm trying to record this to tell you everything that we did this week. One of the things that we're doing is we're trying to set up the pool over Vin Hill so we can get to test the subs when you guys are ready. We're trying to set that up. We got other things we're working on to move that forward. We're trying to help everybody set up the teams and set them up correctly. It's amazing that some of the stuff we learned this week is we thought that we were going to have to talk about an archaeological survey later in the week or later in the term, and we found out that a couple of the kids already have started their own archaeological research, and it's quite extensive. They know more about it at this point than we do, which is really cool.
Okay, so this week I worked on parts drawings, so we dimensioned them, and I think we really worked on being more organized this week by having meetings at the end and beginning of class, so we're all on the same page.
So this week I worked with Colleen. We did parts list and everything. We got everything working pretty smoothly, named all the parts. We're working with Grace to put together a spreadsheet that's got it's got like the descriptions and pictures and everything on there. It's working really smoothly, and it's going to be a big help once we get all that put together.
So this week I took out every single individual part, including screws and seals, and I labeled them and cataloged them.
This week I worked on the video editing. I think that as a group we are coming along very well, and we have all the parts labeled and numbered, so that was our big thing. Next week hopefully we can get all the CAD stuff done and continue making videos.
So I was out like 3 days last week, and it was a little rough coming back and trying to get back in the rhythm of things, but the team helped me out a lot and they're working great together, and I was able to get back in and start working.
I've been researching Germantown Lake and lake aquatics for last week. I think week went well. A lot of people doing good stuff, whether it was design, numbering parts, or other things, so it's going well.
Okay, so this week the team, we had a rough start. No one really knew what their exact job was. We were all we had a bunch of floaters who were just kind of sitting around, not sure what they were doing, but at the end of the week we all figured it out.
So this week I was dimensioning CAD models and transporting the CAD models to an IPT file, and we pretty much almost finished with them, and it's going really well.
This week I helped take inventory and upload each individual part, name and number to an Excel spreadsheet. I also helped videotape the weekly update.
This week I served as the media specialist, that's the term. This week I served as the media specialist for the team. I was in charge of taking pictures and uploading them to the team server, as well as photographing each individual part to upload to make a spreadsheet with part names, numbers, and pictures.
Hey guys, this is Miss Jenkins. I'm here with the green team, and they asked me for a little bit of an update. So I want to talk to you guys about finances, because that's one major thing that I've been handling this week, and that's one thing that we look forward to the kids discussing later in their reports. Cost analysis, what all is involved. For example, one thing I've been handling this week are the purchasing of computers, tables, extra build materials that we need in order to complete the submersible build. And besides that, just working with everyone, collaborating, making sure that all students understand the importance of the manual, documentations, and how to get this thing working. So, hope you guys had a fun week.